As I was growing up, people would always, I'd hear the older people saying, it's different kind of loss, it's different kind of hurt. It's different kind of
Because I wanted to do audio for this particular installation. Originally, I was interested in the staircase. I think because I've heard other audio pieces in there, so that was the first place I thought of. And then the conversation about accessibility came to light, which is where the elevator came into play. So the elevator and the staircase are having the same audio. And then I wanted to activate an additional space and chose the bathrooms because I wanted intimate spaces where a lot of people wouldn't be in those spaces at one time. I mean, I don't know about you, but I feel like I think a lot when I'm in the bathroom, whether I'm like just washing my face or showering, and like that, those are times when all the thoughts kind of happen. And because I wanted the audio to feel like eavesdropping, but like not in a bad way, where it's like you're hearing glimpses of these conversations. And although these conversations are personal to the people that are having them, the topic of loss is very universal. And so there will be a sense of familiarness, even if you just caught a hair of the conversations.